there is a problem when it comes to these institutions, educational institutions, safety of women?
This isn't one painful case. There are plenty. And in Odisha, every day there are 15 such cases in which either a woman is harassed or some kind of crime is happening against the woman. Now, this is a full blown system failure because this student was also an ABVP member. So, all I have to say that this is a total change in our society wherein people who harass sexually to the women are not punished, or the punishment takes so much of time. In my own home state, every day there are so many rapes and people are not caught. The people who are criminal are just, they are given a very leeway kind of a thing, and therefore I feel that BJP has created a kind of society wherein people from their mouths they utter beti bachao, beti padhao, this and that, but actually crime against women is increasing by and large, not only in Odisha, in my own home state Madhya Pradesh. And in Odisha, I want to remind you, last year sometimes in September, October, there was a brigadier's daughter who was coming back with her fiance. They landed up into an argument, and after that, you have seen how police has manhandled that woman. If an army officer's daughter can be harassed in that manner, and if an army officer's fiance can be harassed in that manner, we can understand what is the law and order and how people think about it, because policemen themselves were harassing. Here, the institute itself is harassing. And one more thing I want to tell you before I close my this statement, but that in BJP, because people understand that there will not be there is not going to be a grave punishment for them. They are just, they don't have any deterrence, and they just go ahead with that. And since the education minister, the central education minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, also comes from Odisha, BJP government has a kind of pattern that they never ask for any accountability. Nobody gives them the resignation in their government, be it the defense minister, be it the home minister. There has been intelligence failure. So any kind of failure, no accountability, nobody will resign, and therefore people have to suffer. This is what I have to say.
Okay, Momita Chakrabarti, your opening comments, madam?
Yeah. See, this is not only about the girl in Balasore. This is about the fire we have allowed to simmer silently in our society for centuries. If you talk about if we talk about, from the Agni Pariksha of Sita to Draupadi's humiliation at the royal court, right? So now if I actually don't want to politicize these issues at all, but I will definitely not blame BJP for everything and anything, because I'm holding the previous government accountable for this environment they have created.
Madam, I don't want to interrupt you. I don't want to interrupt. I just want to say, if you don't hold BJP accountable, who else do you hold accountable? They are in the government, madam.
I'm just coming to that point. Because why I will not hold them accountable for that? Because the government was created by the BJP government. That's about reacting to the incident, not just about the reacting to the incident. It's about shaping the system, mindset, and the responses. The fear and the mind trust this girl carried did not grow overnight. All right, it was nurtured over decades of ignored complaints, suppressed voices, and politically protected predators. So this BJP government is new, and it definitely they have acted swiftly. Well, right, the HOD was arrested, and the HOD and both the principal got suspended, and definitely the authorities, the BJP authority took the charge of the medical
Why did a girl had to burn herself for the action to be taken? I'm also joined by Lekhashri Samant Singhar, spokesperson BJP. Thank you so much, madam, for joining me on News 9. A shocking incident. Your opening comments, madam.
See, first of all, I want to say that ever since the BJP government came to power in Odisha in 2024 last year, June, crimes against women have skyrocketed, gone through the roof, and there has been an 8% increase in crimes against women. There are 15 rapes and gang rapes per day, and Odisha has now the dubious distinction of being among the top 8 states so far crimes against women are concerned. Now, having said that, I want to say this particular crime, this girl has been complaining since the last 6 months about the HOD of the education department, where she was a second year B.Ed student. And she complained to the authorities. She went from pillar to post. She approached the BJP MP from Balasore, Pratap Chandra Sadangi, the BJP MLA from Balasore Sadar, Manas Kumar Datta. She approached the police SP, and no one listened to her complaints. She tweeted tagging the Union Education Minister, the State Education Minister, the Chief Minister, NCW, DHE, the Directorate of Higher Education. She has informed everybody, but the system completely failed her. Let me remind you that she was an ABVP student, so she confined this case to entirely the BJP and RSS. I am the Lok Sabha candidate from BJD from Balasore, and I am a woman. She never approached me. The MLA from Bhogarai, her home constituency is from BJD, Biju Janata Dal. She never approached him. Rather, she preferred, because maybe she thought that she was going to get justice from within her party colleagues. So she approached the BJP MP and MLA, and both of them asked her to wait. We will compromise. We will find a way out. Now, what they should have done is they should have taken her to the police and ensured that her FIR is registered.